Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, marami nag-request sa inyo na mag-react tayo dito, no, sa audio samplers ng mga tracks simula at wakas ng or ito parating nga na EP ng SB19. Nakita ko na nga siya sa social media. Actually, iniiwasan ko lang siya. Pero, again, marami sa inyo nag-request. So, I mean, I guess it's not gonna hurt if papakinggan lang natin like just a few seconds of the song. So, I mean, hindi naman siguro siya bibigay ng sobrang laking context, no? Again, because I want like a full experience, no? So, I don't want to be like spoiled already for the surprise, no? But yeah, well, we have unahin natin tong time. Artist SB19, composer is, who is this? Cerces Baker and John Paulo Nace. So it's Pablo, no? Let's listen to this.
One day we'll run out of time, memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control.
Okay.
One day we'll run out of time, memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control.
Okay, no? Time, again. I feel like unang-unang pumasok sa isip ko, no, is yung, like, again, yung, but time, time, di ba nawawala lahat ng instrumental, no? Ang lakas niyang parang, yung vibe niya parang lakas maka-NF, no? Yung sa nakaraang album ni NF na, title ng kanta na yun? Gone. No? Again, 'di ba nabanggit nga doon sa mga doc ni Casual Truck na si Pablo. Si Pablo. Ang weird pagkatawagin ko siyang Pablo. Si Pablo is na-inspired din kay NF, no? Sa mga inspiration niya or yung mga we can say tinitingala niyang artist, no? So I feel like, you know, medyo siguro nakuha niya yung inspiration doon, like very like yung pause ng mga instrumentals very dramatic, no, like how like NF like arrange and make his beats, no, sobrang dramatic talaga. Pag kung di nyo pa napakinggan, tayo nyo pakinggan isang kanta lang, kahit hindi yung specifically yung sinasabi kong kanta na Gone. Sobrang dramatic nung parang bagsak ng beat and everything, no. Nahilig ka sa ganun, no. Pero again, I feel like unang ko naisip agad yung Gone. Pero yeah, that's time. Let's proceed to the next track. We have 8-Ton Ball. This is composed by Alon. Who is Alon?
Wait a second, cause we going to the top and made a bed and now I'm flowing, never stop and
Wait a second, cause we going to the top and made a bet and now floating never stop.
break it up, break it down. Wait a second, cause we going to the top and made a bed and now I'm flowing, never stop and
Wait a second, cause we going to the top and made a bet and now floating never stop.
break it up, break it down.
Okay. Alright. Mukhang target lock, no? Target lock na sa pinaka-aabangan kong track dito, no? 8-Ton Ball, no? Yung sa maiksing, na yon, part ng kanta na yon, again, it didn't actually provide a lot of context sa song. So, I mean, I feel like di naman siya na spoil. Pero it's enough to make me excited, man. To make me hype. Come on, man. Si Josh, isa sa mga nagsulat nung kantang yun. Nice, man. So, let's proceed. Next track is Quit. Again, artist SB19. Oh, composer is Philip, man. Philip alone. Okay. Alright. Okay.
we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. Ayo, mama, God. They tryna get the guidance in my mind.
Oh, shit.
I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. Ayo, mama, God. They tryna get the guidance in my mind.
Okay. I mean, very Philip yung vibe ng kanta, of course, maybe because he's the one who composed the song, pero another target lock, man. Oh, shit. Let's proceed now. Let's proceed. It's getting me hyped, man. And again, sobrang lapit namin. Sobrang lapit. That day is what? April 23. So, onting araw na lang, man. Onting araw na lang yung hintayin natin. Ano? Onting araw na lang bago lumabas mismo yung EP, man. Pero, parang gusto ko nang ilabas na nila. sabi na nga parang idea to eh. Itong ginawa natin eh. Masyado lang ako na-hype eh. So, next track natin is Shooting for the Stars, man. Let's go.
Stars aiming high,
Okay.
ready, aim, fire, shoot.
Ready, aim, fire, shoot. Okay, so I guess this is going to be like their feel-good, upbeat na kanta dito sa EP, no? Kasi I feel like nakapansin ko lagi na lang sa EP nila merong may isang kanta na laging, you know, yung parang after itong heavy and after mong mag-headbang or malungkot sa mga track, no? There's always one track dun sa EP nila na parang, okay, kumalma ka, sumaya ka muna. Kasi masyado ka nang nagwawala sa kantang to, masyado ka nang nalulungkot sa kantang to. So, ito muna, mag-ano ka muna, yung feel good na kanta, painggan mo muna to. So, lagi silang may gano'n sa album nila, napansin ko, no? Pero, yeah, man, this is Double Entendre. I mean, ayoko yung breakdown yun ngayon, man. Gusto ko lang painggan for us to have like a preview of the song. Pero, yeah. Shooting for the Stars, okay? And for the last one, Dungka, no? Like the spelling is Dungka, like D-U-N-G-K-A, like Dungka, pero Dunka, di ba? I mean, again, I feel like SB19 mahilig sila sa itong klase ng laro ng salita, no? Very Filipino, like yung gento, di ba? Sa mga Kabiteño, like gento, ganto, pero ginto, na wordplay nila yon, no? Parang dungka. Like, I don't know kung anong iba pang meaning ng dungka na salita na to, pero yung dungka, no? But yeah, let's see. Okay. Very aggressive, no? Pero pwedeng tumabi ka dyan, di ba? Kasi dungka, di ba? Dungka. So, pwedeng tumabi ka dyan, dun. Parang gumagano nyo sa background. No, hindi mo to gusto. I mean, ang dami ko na agad naiisip na pwedeng, pwedeng tema tong kanta. Pero, again, one of like, hype songs sa kanta. Pero, 8-ton ball, no? And Quit. Pinaka nag-stand out sa akin sa lahat ng ano na to. Ng mga audio sampler na to. I'm just excited, man. 23 pa rin ba? So, 25 na eh. But yeah, I mean, that's the reaction for today sa mga audio samplers ng mga tracks simula at wakas, man. Excited na ba kayo? Because I'm really fucking excited. Gusto ko na painggan yung buong EP na yun. Gusto ko nang enjoyin, no? But yeah, comment down below kung anong tingin nyo sa kanta, kung saan kayo mas na-excite, no? Dito sa mga audio sampler na to. Again, sa akin, 8-ton ball and Quit. Yun talaga. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.